Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about Relay versus Novo. Which business bank is right for you? If you're trying to choose between Relay and Novo for your business banking, let's break down the key difference to help you decide. First of all, Relay Business Banking. It has no monthly fees and no premium balance. Great for cost-conscious businesses. Multiple checking accounts for better money management. Seamless integrations with QuickBooks and automated payments for full financial control. On the other hand, Novo Business Banking is designed for entrepreneurs with a simple, streamlined interface. No fees, no minimum balance, and instant integrations with Stripe and QuickBooks. Fast access to funds, making it easy to manage payments and deposits on the go. So what's the difference between them? Relay is best for businesses needing multiple accounts, cash management tools, and flexibility. Novo is great for entrepreneurs and freelancers who want a fast, no-frills banking experience. So, which one do you prefer? Relay or Novo? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more business banking reviews.